The first thing you need to do is to go to your blog. Here's mine. I'm using Blogger, but there are other sites you can use. The setup will be similar. Notice that I have already had a couple of gadgets, the videos and the newsfeed on the right bar. On the right side, to add gadgets, first you need to go to the top right and click Design. Now the screen will show you the layout of your blog. The layout is divided into different areas or blocks. There's the nav bar, the header or title, the main feature where your blog posts are, the sidebar for extra information, and the footer, usually for links and set information. I don't have any links here. Now, if you go back to the actual blog, you will see how the layout works. Nav bar, header, main feature, sidebar, and the footer. Now let's go back to the design page. Okay, I want you to take a look at the boxes with the broken lines. Those are the boxes you will click to add gadgets and information. The ones that have solid lines have already been filled. You can drag those boxes around to change your blog's layout. I like to put everything on the sidebar because I don't like it too cluttered. You can try it out to see what is best for you. You can also change the template, but I will let you to play with that. Okay, now let's go back to our blog and get started. Click anywhere where it says Add Gadget. There are lots of gadgets. Just look at the different categories and you will pick a gadget based upon the needs of your class. I'm doing Chinese language study, so let's find a gadget that will help me. You can go through the list or you can use the search box. I'm going to show you a gadget that lets you add a list of useful sites. Chinese is a difficult language to learn, so I won't include links to dictionaries and study sites. So I'm going to add a few. Just type in the address of the site you want to add and its name. I will add a couple here. You can add as many as you want, and you can always go back later and add more. Always remember to save, or what you added will be gone. Once you have saved, you can go back to your blog and see whether you like it. If you really don't like the gadget, you can go ahead and delete it. I don't like the placement of mine, so I'm going to go ahead and remove it. Okay, now you see my links is under About Me. Okay, I already have a video bar, so I'm going to go ahead and show you a little bit about this. For the video bar, when you click on Add Gadgets, it will be on the first list that pops out towards the bottom. Okay, click that and you will see some options. And then you can pick up your own title. Let's say, and then you can also select the options here, like most viewed video or top rated, and And this gadget lets you link to videos from YouTube. So you can choose search terms and channels that you will find useful. I put in Chinese language learning for the terms, so it will search for videos that have to do with that, but you can do whatever you like. If you have a favorite channel from YouTube, you can have the gadget link to videos from that. The purpose is to find things that will be useful for students to watch at home. A fun and interactive gadget is the poll. Again, just click Add Gadget and you will see it on the first list. Select Poll and you will be able to design a question and its answers. Here's what I'm going to do. Okay. And then you can even set up the closing time for the poll. This is a neat way to get feedback from students. These are just a few of your options. What I have found is that it's easiest to start with the options from that first list you see after you click Add Gadget. I also found the gadgets developed by bloggers are nice because they don't have advertising. But you and your students will have to make a call on that. I will leave off with a question you can respond to in the comments. What are some effective ways for students and teachers to interact on a class blog? Have fun and enjoy the blog experience.